Hey there! Welcome to this video, where we make the tech world easy and fun to understand. Today we are talking about something everyone is curious about. Artificial intelligence, also called AI. What is it really? Is it a robot? Is it smarter than us? Or is it just a tool? Stay with me till the end, and I promise, by the end of this video, you'll understand AI better than 90% of people out there. Let's keep it simple. Imagine you build a machine that can think a little bit like a human. You give it a task, and instead of just blindly following instructions, it learns and improves. That's AI. A machine that learns, adapts and makes decisions, like humans. But it doesn't have feelings, a soul, or consciousness. It's just super smart code running on powerful computers. In short, AI is not a robot. AI is a brain. Robots may use AI to move or talk, but AI itself is just intelligence created by humans. Let me tell you a short story. Back in 1956, a group of scientists met at a college in the USA, Dartmouth College. They had one big dream. Can we make machines that think? A man named John McCarthy first used the term artificial intelligence. In the beginning, AI was just an idea, in books and sci-fi movies. Then in the 1980s, it started becoming real, but very slow. After 2010, with more data and faster computers, AI became powerful. Today in 2025, AI is in your phone, your TV, your car, even your fridge. Let's take an example. You're teaching a small kid what a cat looks like. You show him 100 pictures of cats. He slowly learns. Okay, 4 legs, whiskers, meow sound, that's a cat. AI learns the same way, but faster. We give it 100,000 images of cats. Then we ask, what is this? AI says, that's a cat. Boom, it has learned. Behind the scenes, it uses tons of data, smart algorithms, and powerful computers. That's how AI becomes smart. There are 3 types of AI. 1. Narrow AI.
What we use today.
It does one thing really well, like Siri, ChatGPT, Google Maps. 2. General AI. Can think like a human in every way. Still not real. 3. Super AI. Smarter than all humans. Still science fiction. Right now, the world runs on narrow AI, and that's already powerful. You don't need to look far. You use AI every single day, without even realizing it. Face unlock on your phone? That's AI. Google Translate? AI. YouTube recommendations? AI. Online shopping? AI helps show what you like. Hospitals? AI helps detect cancer. Cars? AI helps in self-driving. Even smart assistants, traffic systems, ATM cameras all use AI. Let's name a few cool things behind AI, just to sound smart. Machine learning learns from data. Deep learning, like how our brain works. NLP, natural language processing, AI understands human language. Computer vision, AI understands images and videos. You don't need to remember these. Just know AI is a mix of math, code, and data. People often ask, will AI take our jobs? Will it rule the world? Here's the truth. Yes, some jobs will go. But new jobs will be created too. And humans will still control AI. AI is like fire. If used properly, it cooks your food. If misused, it burns your house. We must use AI responsibly. In the next 10 years, AI will help us cure deadly diseases, translate any language instantly, make education free and smart, help blind people see, make new discoveries in space. Some even say AI may one day feel emotions. Scary? Exciting? Maybe both. But the future is coming fast. Let's recap everything. AI, smart machines that learn. Born in 1956, now changing the world. Used in phones, hospitals, cars, homes. It's a tool. Use it wisely. And you just learn all about it. So if someone asks, what is AI? Just smile and say, it's a brain made by humans running on a machine. If you like this simple and friendly explanation, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment. I understand AI now.